rainy day, it's a windy day, it's still hot, it's still humid, and I have some some happiness with TRENDSEND. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of TRENDSEND. All right, so I cut actually this is another recording because I started this video and I tried to cut the box while I'm talking to you guys and it was a disaster. And I'm just like, let's just start this over. Okay, so let's back up a little bit. Are you guys familiar with TRENDSEND? Well, it's a personal styling service and it is styled for you by Evereve. Evereve is a chain, I am not starting over, is a chain store. And we don't have one real convenient to me. And I actually like it when someone else picks the clothes out for me. So to get your very first box, it's only $1. $1 for your very first box. If you've never tried it, you got nothing to lose. After that, I think if you keep 4 or more items, you get an additional 10% off. Shipping is always free to you and your returns. Here is the return label or package, and it goes to the post office. It's prepaid, and it has your label already on it. Here is my information with the bundles that are in my box. Let me see who my stylist is. I had a different stylist last time. Oh, Kara, I think she styled me last time. Barbara, it's a good day. It's a TRENDSEND day. These outfits will walk you right in fall. Love a wardrobe that transitions nicely. Okay, well, I'm not gonna read it all to you guys. Let's see. They give you suggestions for outfits, and here's the price list I don't wanna look at. And this is the packing slip. And there's 3 bundles. This one says play more. Oh, these are thin bundles. All the information will be on the screen for you and also in the description. This is cute. Black top, one of my favorite colors. Looks like it's got a puffy sleeve, which I like. The material feels nice. It doesn't feel like that modal material that I actually do not care for. Nice, I like that. What are these? Uh-oh. Pants. Pants always make me a little nervous. These are cute. Look at these. They got a little silver or gold sparkly seam down the side. That's nice. It feels good quality. Is there stretch? Yeah, there's some stretch. Oh, these are level 99. Okay, well, good possibility there. So that's 2 items. What does this say? But first, gratitude. Whew. Oh, this was in my wish list. I've been wanting this shirt for I don't know how long. I think it comes in another color, and I didn't really care, but look at the sleeves. You're gonna have to wear a strapless bra, but I don't care. Look at how pretty the bright colors are. Nice, I'm excited to try that on. Oh, another pair of pants. Level 99, oh, I think I have these. Or do I? I have something very similar. Okay, these have the square pocket in the front. And it looks like it has another like small pocket here. It's kind of hard to tell with black. And the zipper. I actually think I received these in my last box, and I think I requested another pair but in a size up. So hopefully that's what these are. I don't know. I don't really know. So we'll have to see. Can't remember. What's this one say? Last bundle with heart. White tee. Ooh, that looks big. That looks very big. What size is that? Watch it fit. It probably will. It's a small. It looks awful big and low. said that before and they fit. What is this? I hope it's not a camo. Kimono. I am not a camel. I'm not a kimono girl. It is. Oh, I say that, but it looks kind of cute. Actually, it does. Look at the pretty colors. I don't know. This is kind of cute. I don't know. I came over to the dark side with the cropped jeans. I just stepped over to that. So who knows? We'll see how this looks. I'm actually kind of excited to try that on. Okay, what is this? Oh, a blouse. This is pretty. And I like that it has the smocking around the, on the shoulder. I like the ruffle on the neck. V-neck, is it a tie? Yeah, it's a tie. That's okay. It feels really nice. It feels polyester. Oh, look at the sleeve. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, depends on the price. Is that it? That's all. I'm so disappointed that there's not more, but okay, let's get to the try on. All right, let's start with the top. I requested this. This is a size medium, and I'm not sure if maybe it's a little too big. It just is really kind of loose right up here. And I actually have a strapless bra on that is actually too big for me. Keeps falling down. So once I get one that fits me, I'm not sure if this is like too loose here. I tried to find the fabric on it and I couldn't see it on the tag. Yeah, these are kind of like falling. I just feel like this should fit a little tighter, but I don't know. It sure is cute. I love it. I mean, here it fits well. If it were a smaller size, I'm afraid this will be too tight and it will get this belly roll I have going on. But look how cute this is. I mean, you could wear a bralette with this, I think. I think you might be able to hide the straps. It's such a pretty color with the blue, the light blue, and I think this is more like pink, and it's got a little bit of yellow in it. But yeah, I think this is just a little, I might be able to shrink it though. I might shrink. It kind of feels like cotton. It actually feels like there might be some rayon in it. So it's, I mean, I love it. I could do a front tuck, maybe, you know, I'm not good at that. Okay, these pants I did request. They are the level 99, I think they're called the Ella. And I asked for them a size up because I really like them, but I don't think this cut is for me. These must be made for somebody that's not hippie and maybe a junior, because I don't know if you could tell in the camera that it's riding up in my knees and in my calves, but it fits here. I mean, there's room here. And the pockets are poking out. Yeah, I think this booty might have something to do with that. Pockets. But I love the style. I like the deep pockets. I love the zipper detail on them. I even like the crop. Surprise, surprise. So, okay, I was hopeful. Let's see what's next. Okay, 3 pieces on here. Let's first talk about this wrap. All right, I like it better than I thought I would. Obviously, I like the colors. I like the print. I actually kind of like this. I really do. Let me tell you something. All right, let me give you a better close-up of it. I mean, it's a very pretty print. Okay, here's the thing. this could actually be a possibility, believe it or not, if the sleeves, if this was open, if this was just kind of more of a wrap instead of having the arms in it. It does have the slit down the side, longer in the back. I could see some use for this, especially when it's warm out, hot and humid like it is here. This would be a nice light thing to put on your shoulders, especially if you're wearing something sleeveless. So I could see some use for this. I also could see it with a belt, but this part I'm not crazy about. This is not on sale. Bottom line is, if someone gave this to me, I would wear it. But for me to go out and purchase it, no. So, but I'm surprised that I'm coming around. I'm very surprised by that. So, I think it's just getting the right print. And of course, black and white, I like it. Okay, so that's an interesting piece, let me tell you. It has me thinking. All right, this top, sorry I don't remember which piece is which. You saw everything on the screen. When we do a recap, I'll go over the pricing and who these are by. This feels really nice. It's just a plain black top. It's a nice length. I know it's hard to tell with these pants on. It has the puffy sleeve. It fits me very well. It feels nice. It's not a boxy fit, which I don't like. So I like this. Okay, let's talk about these pants. They feel so nice. Shocker. I'm like, I'm not gonna like those. But I think they fit pretty well. They are looser than the other pants I had on. They're actually camo. Let me back up. There is a very faint camo in here, and I saw these on somebody else's channel. I don't remember who it was. And when they said camo, I was really surprised by it. But I even like the gold piping down the side. It's more of a straight leg than a skinny. It is pretty loose. There's some stretch in them. They feel really, really nice. Pockets here, zipper, belt loop, pockets in the back, stretch. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video back. They are the ankle. I know Nancy. I know Nancy Rounds and I were the same age, and we're both kind of like having trouble adjusting to ankle pants, but I'm kind of coming around, and the crop. So, especially crop. I think we're both okay with ankle, but it's the crop. Okay, these are a little lighter color than I thought, but I don't know. I kind of like them. All right, let's try something else on. This is cute. It's really cute. Okay, it could be cute. All right, look, the print, I actually like the print. Look at this. It's like, I don't know, like a rust color with some coral in it. It's really, it's very pretty. I love the smocking on the sleeve and the smocking on the shoulder here, the tie, the ruffle, very cute. It is very long cut in the deep cut here in the front. I would say this is a good cut for somebody busty, like really busty. But it's not bad because I could wear just one of those shelf camis or something underneath it just to give it a little protection right there. Although if mine comes open, you're not gonna see anything. So it's probably fine. All right, I did a little tuck in the front, but this is how long it is. Very cute. If But let me tell you something about this top. It does not breathe. Like it is, I feel like I am, like there's absolutely no give, no stretch, no nothing. Look at how big the underarms are. It's probably made to fit like that, maybe, I don't know. Look at that. It's just like, there's no tailoring to it at all. It's just a box. But I actually like it. But it's a no, because I can't, this fabric is not breathing. I don't know what it is. It's probably polyester, 100%. It's a different type. And I learned something on Citizen Sue's channel. Did you know? And I learned this from her. Polyester is made out of plastic. I hope I got that right. Did I get that right, Sue? And that's what this feels like. It feels like plastic almost. Not really, but sort of, because there's no give. Okay, this top here, I tried it on, but the V goes all the way down to here. Yep, otherwise it fit pretty nice. And I was just like, I didn't want to put cami on. It's just a white tank, nothing special. So I'm not even gonna try that on for you guys. Okay, let's do a review. Okay, I'm gonna go down the list and let's see what we have here. The cutout shoulder tank, which is this one, size medium. Let me know, should I size down? It looks like I found the fabric, it's hard to read. I think it's 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So, and my price is $41.04, regular price $57. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. Let's see, the level 99 utility pants with the zipper, these just don't fit. Those are no. Regular $128, my price $92.16. Okay, the camo trousers that I have on with the piping, I don't know, I kind of like them. How much are they? I need to watch the video to see if they really fit right. The regular $128, on sale for $99.99. My price $43. Oh, that'll make me look at them a little bit more. Okay, just depends how they fit. They feel great. They feel really good. They're soft. Okay, the pleated tee. I like this. This is the one with the puffy little shoulder. It's regular $49, my price $35. It's by Sanctuary. Oh, I haven't been telling you all this stuff. It's by Sanctuary. I'll put everything's in the description. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. I'll get a lot of use out of that. It's just plain, nice, cute little tee. Okay, the Smocked blouse, which I have on, is by Marie Oliver, and it's a Kate Smocked blouse, regular $98, on sale for $50, my price $36. But I can't, it's not like, it's like holding in all the heat and everything. No movement. So this is a no. Okay, this is the wrap is by Woven Heart. It's the Brianna wrap, regular $58, my price $41.76. No, that's a no. I won't reach for it. And this white tee is by Z Supply, short sleeve V-neck, size small, regular $39, my price $28.08. So that's a no. So this little black top is a keeper. This is a maybe, but I'm worried about the more I wear it, the more that this might stretch out and then it's just gonna look sloppy. But if I size down to a small, it's gonna be too tight around my belly. So I don't know. And then the camo pants with the piping down the side, should I keep them? Let me know. And that's it. That's my TRENDSEND. So maybe you guys saw something you would like to request, and if you'd like to try a TRENDSEND, please use my referral link. If you do, then we both receive 20% off. 20% off, yeah. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours, and be safe.